Okay, hopefully this is my last part of how to work Seesaw, but I will do as many videos as it takes. So picking up where we left off, just go back into this. So then Blake's work shows up here, and like I showed you, I could circle it and then I could comment back to Blake saying, please check number 1, and he can write in the right answer. Blake will even be able to, and not just Blake, everyone will be able to go back in and fix their answers. So, for example, if I'm going to edit this item and his screen will look the same as this, there is this T button right here. It's for text. If you click on that, the students can type in answers, 10, and then put it over their work again instead of uploading a brand new picture. So they can put a new answer there. And that is an awesome feature. They can also doodle draw on here like I did before and highlight certain things. They'll be able to change the color and write, not sure what the sound was, and write on here any corrections that they have and need to make. So that is awesome. All right, we're going to pretend that Blake made his corrections, and then I'm going to go and delete it. But anyway, for right now, it'll give me a notification saying that he re-uploaded his work, and then he will get the feedback and points for that for his progress report. So that's awesome. All right, so then another part of this that is really cool is that I can talk directly to students and parents under this chat. They can talk back to me. Questions will be answered very quickly because we're all on this all day. And as you can see, I sent little tips on how to use Seesaw for the students. And then my last part for activities, just make sure that you are uploading the correct work under the correct lesson. So if you are going to use the most magnificent thing, so that is assigned to both nighttime, first and second grade, your student can listen to the directions right here, and my voice is recorded. It says the same thing that's written here. They'll click on this link that reads this aloud. There's other examples for this as well. When I will be uploading math, it'll be myself teaching a math lesson. They will add their response like we went through. Just make sure that your microphone, let's use Lainey. Just make sure that your microphone is set. Let's do drawing. So for example, here's a blank sheet of paper. They'll be able to draw. It's really nice if you have a tablet or an iPad. Just make sure that your microphone is set up and your camera is set up, that you have those links approved and that they're enabled. So then they can type text in here. They will be able to add background shapes. They can play around with it. Yeah. So then after that, here we go. They will be able to click this green button to upload it, and that is all you need to know under that category. I will be giving my own personal feedback to them, and they'll be hearing directly from me. They'll also be seeing videos from me, and this way we can keep in touch, and it'll be a little bit easier in general to do instead of emailing, even though I know everyone's very comfortable with email and this is what we're used to. I'm really excited